How to check your transaction history on NordFX. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to check out your transaction history in NordFX account, then the first thing you want to do is to go launch open any web browser of your preference. Once you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in nordfx.com and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the home page. Go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside this dashboard page, you'll be able to see a list on the left. Click on transaction history. Now in here, you'll see the list of your deposits, withdrawals, internal transfers, dates, amounts, and status of your transaction. In my case, there are no transactions, so it is not showing me any kind of a data, but if you have any transaction, you'll be able to see it listed right here on this page. So that is how you check your transaction in NordFX. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.